I'm honored and excited to invite everyone to come out June 14th to celebrate our nations here at the Landscape of Nations Commemorative Memorial at Queenston Heights. Beautiful monument is like an outdoor classroom. So people can travel through this monument and go to different workshops and do some hands-on teachings as well. These two wonderful warriors, Brant and Norton, were really the ones that won the Battle of Queenston Heights back in the War of 1812. Starting at 2 o'clock, we're going to be doing a lot of different interactive Indigenous workshops, storytelling, games. We'll be doing also some teaching. I feel that people are going to come away understanding the deep-rooted beauty of our cultures, traditions, and heritage. Understanding a little bit more of who we are, where we came from, what we've gone through, and who we are today.